How Jessica Soho builds credibility with viewers. On-the-ground empathy and immersion. One of the key reasons Jessica Soho has built strong credibility with viewers is her ability to connect with people through genuine on-the-ground reporting. Instead of simply presenting information from a studio, she often immerses herself in the communities and situations she covers, allowing her to better understand the experiences of ordinary Filipinos. Her interviews focus not only on facts, but also on emotions, struggles, and personal stories, making complex issues easier for audiences to understand. This approach creates a sense of authenticity because viewers can see that she is willing to listen, observe, and experience situations closely rather than simply report them from a distance.
The family ng mga refugee ay binibigyan ng UNHCR ng $20 na panggastos sa pag-uwi. Ang problema, marami sa kanila hindi nakatitiyak kung meron pang mga tahanan at kabuhayang dadatnan.
Wherever we go, still we are immigrant. They will not treat us good as much as we were here. It's our own country. We have no other way. We have nowhere to stay.
Habang narito ang mga refugees, tinuturuan sila kung paano makaligtas sa mga landmines.
It's very important for the new arrivals and the kids, the children to have some information about the minings, about the stones, about the colors of mines. So in which area we are facing mines and how do we deal with it.
Gaya ng aming nasaksihan mismo, malaking problema ngayon ang landmines sa Afghanistan. 10 million landmines ang iniwan ng tatlong magkakasunod na giyera. Kalahating milyon pa lang ang natatanggal. Ayon pa sa statistics, 300 Afghan ang namamatay kada buwan dahil sa landmines. Nung araw na kami sumama sa isa sa 14 na
Professional longevity and awards. Jessica Soho's long career in journalism has also strengthened the public's trust in her expertise and professionalism. Over the years, her consistent work in news reporting and documentary storytelling has established her as a respected figure in Philippine media. Her numerous recognitions and awards further demonstrate the quality of impact of her work. But her credibility goes beyond the trophies she has received. Her ability to remain relevant across different generations shows that she has maintained strong journalistic standards while adapting to changes in television and digital media. This combination of experience, recognition, and consistency helps audiences view her as a reliable source of information. Balanced content strategy. Another important factor behind Jessica Soho's credibility is her ability to balance serious journalism with engaging and relatable content. Her programs can cover important social issues, investigative stories, human interest features, and lighter cultural topics without losing their journalistic identity. This variety allows her to reach a broad audience while still providing meaningful information and context. By combining factual reporting with compelling storytelling, she makes important subjects easier to understand without making the content feel overly technical or distant. This balanced strategy helps maintain viewer interest while reinforcing the idea that informative journalism can also be accessible, engaging, and relevant to everyday Filipino life.
Ang salamin sa bintana, basag-basag na. Ang tarangkahan, ginapangan na ng halaman.
Malaking bagay pagka yung bahay o yung inyong lugar ay may ganitong marker. Kung wala ito, hindi mo akalain na minsan sa ating kasaysayan may tumira dyan na importanteng personalidad.
Sa mga litratong ito, makikitang ang loob ng ancestral house para ng bodega.
Higit 100 taon na tong bahay na to eh. Parang abandoned na siya. Pero yung frame, intact pa. Medyo matibay kasi mga bakal nung araw eh. Hindi na restore at all.
Napakahalaga sa akin yun kasi dito ako naging tao eh. Early 1960s, ay medyo masaya pa kami dyan. Dahil nandyan yung anak